Hi, I'm Harold Albrecht, Member of Parliament for Kitchener-Conestoga. For all Canadians, Canada Day is a welcomed summer holiday. It's a day for picnics or barbecues with family and friends, or maybe watching fireworks after dark. Canada Day is about celebrating the country that we cherish and love. We can only imagine the incredible pride that Sir John A. Macdonald and other fathers of Confederation would feel if they knew just how much we have achieved since then. It's the same Canadian pride we all feel every day. Our society is guided by a shared belief in freedom, democracy, and the rule of law. We can embrace these values thanks to the countless men and women in uniform who gave and continue to give their lives to defend our freedoms and serve us in so many ways. This year, have a fun, safe, and memorable Canada Day. And please take a moment to consider just how incredibly blessed we are to be Canadian. May God keep Canada glorious and free. Happy Canada Day.